Begin in a kneeling position and move to all fours with arms below shoulders and knees below hips. Curl your toes under and look forward. From here, come up into downward dog with feet flat, legs straight, palms flat on floor, arms straight, head down, looking toward your knees. Now, push up further so that your weight is supported only by your toe tips and fingertips. Hold this position as long as you like. Usually 10 to 20 seconds is enough. This one is very energizing, literally sending blood flow and energy flow from your core all the way through your fingers and toe tips.